Potassium is the most important electrolyte, but do know all its magical health effects and how it can improve your overall health. What are electrolytes? Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electric charge and are found in your body fluids, including blood, urine, and tissues. They are essential for many bodily functions, including maintaining fluid balance, transmitting nerve signals, and regulating muscle contractions. The primary electrolytes in your body include sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, chloride, bicarbonate, and phosphate. Electrolytes play a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis, which is the stable equilibrium in your body's internal environment. They help control the amount of water in your body, the acidity of your blood, muscle function, and other important processes. For example, sodium and potassium work together to regulate fluid balance and blood pressure, while calcium and magnesium are key players in muscle contractions and nerve function. Without the right balance of electrolytes, your body's systems can become disrupted, leading to various health issues. What is potassium? Potassium is a vital mineral and electrolyte that your body needs to function properly. It helps maintain normal fluid balance, supports nerve function, and is essential for muscle contractions, including those of the heart. Potassium also plays a critical role in maintaining proper cell function and the transmission of electrical signals in the nervous system. Normal levels of potassium. The normal range for potassium levels in the blood is between 3.5 and 5 milliequivalents per liter. Maintaining this balance is crucial for optimal health, as both high and low levels can have significant health implications. What foods are high in potassium? Potassium is found in a variety of foods, particularly fruits and vegetables. Some excellent sources of potassium are bananas, oranges, spinach, sweet potatoes, avocados, tomatoes, beans and legumes, yogurt, salmon. With avocados being one of the most rich in potassium, including these potassium-rich foods in your diet can help you maintain adequate levels of this important mineral. What are the health benefits of potassium? Potassium offers numerous health benefits, including regulating blood pressure. Potassium helps counteract the effects of sodium, thus lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of hypertension and stroke. Supporting heart health. Adequate potassium levels help maintain a regular heartbeat and prevent arrhythmias. Maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance. Potassium works with sodium to maintain the body's fluid balance, which is crucial for cellular function and overall hydration. Promoting muscle function. Potassium is essential for proper muscle contraction and function, preventing cramps and muscle weakness. Supporting bone health. Potassium may help prevent osteoporosis by reducing bone resorption and promoting bone formation. How much to take every day? The recommended daily intake of potassium for adults is approximately 2,500 to 3,000 milligrams. However, the exact amount can vary based on age, gender, and individual health conditions. It's important to consume a balanced diet with a variety of potassium-rich foods to meet your daily needs. What are the effects of low potassium? Low potassium levels, also known as hyperkalemia, can have serious health consequences. Hyperkalemia occurs when blood potassium levels drop below 3.5 milliequivalents per liter. It can be caused by inadequate dietary intake, excessive loss of potassium through urine or sweat, certain medications, or medical conditions affecting kidney function. The signs and symptoms of low potassium can vary from mild to severe and may include muscle weakness and cramps. Potassium is crucial for muscle function, and low levels can lead to muscle weakness, cramps, and spasms. Fatigue. Inadequate potassium can cause general fatigue and weakness, affecting daily activities and overall quality of life. Constipation. Potassium helps regulate digestive processes, and low levels can lead to constipation and other gastrointestinal issues. Heart palpitations and arrhythmias. Severe hyperkalemia can affect heart function, leading to irregular heartbeats and potentially dangerous arrhythmias. Numbness and tingling. Low potassium levels can cause tingling sensations and numbness, particularly in the extremities. Elevated blood pressure. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, and low levels can contribute to hypertension. What is the relation of low potassium to high blood pressure? Potassium plays a key role in regulating blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium. High sodium intake can lead to water retention and increased blood pressure. Potassium helps counteract these effects by promoting the excretion of sodium through urine and relaxing blood vessel walls, which helps lower blood pressure. Low potassium levels can exacerbate the effects of high sodium intake, leading to increased blood pressure and a higher risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attack and stroke. Ensuring adequate potassium intake is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and overall cardiovascular health. Potassium is a critical electrolyte that supports numerous bodily functions, including muscle contraction, nerve function, and fluid balance. Adequate potassium intake is essential for maintaining optimal health, preventing conditions such as hypertension, and supporting overall well-being. Including potassium-rich foods in your diet and maintaining a balanced intake can help ensure that you meet your daily potassium needs and enjoy the many health benefits this vital mineral offers. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, potassium, as one of the primary electrolytes, plays an indispensable role in maintaining the body's intricate balance and supporting overall health. Nowadays, due to poor diet, most people have a hard time achieving the recommended daily intake for this valuable electrolyte. Found abundantly in various foods like avocados, spinach, and yogurt, potassium ensures normal fluid balance, supports nerve function, and facilitates muscle contractions, including the crucial heartbeat. Its presence is vital for proper cellular function, enabling the transmission of electrical signals essential for nervous system coordination. Maintaining potassium levels within the recommended range of 3.5 to 5.0 milliequivalents per liter is crucial for optimal health. This mineral not only counterbalances sodium to regulate blood pressure but also sustains heart health by preventing irregular heartbeats and promoting effective muscle function. Together with sodium, potassium preserves fluid equilibrium within cells, critical for cellular processes and overall hydration. The benefits of adequate potassium intake extend beyond cardiovascular health. Potassium supports bone health by reducing bone resorption and promoting bone formation, which may help prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Its role in preventing muscle weakness, cramps, and fatigue underscores its importance in daily activities and quality of life. However, insufficient potassium intake, known as hyperkalemia, poses significant health risks. Symptoms range from mild muscle weakness and constipation to severe conditions like heart palpitations and elevated blood pressure. Addressing low potassium levels requires dietary adjustments and sometimes medical intervention to restore optimal bodily function and prevent complications. Potassium's synergistic relationship with sodium highlights its pivotal role in managing blood pressure. By enhancing sodium excretion and relaxing blood vessel walls, potassium helps mitigate the adverse effects of high sodium intake, reducing the risk of hypertension and associated cardiovascular diseases. Incorporating potassium-rich foods into your diet is essential for maintaining sufficient levels of this critical electrolyte. Whether through bananas, avocados, or legumes, these foods provide a natural source of potassium that supports overall well-being and prevents electrolyte imbalances. Understanding potassium's multifaceted role in bodily functions empowers individuals to prioritize their health through informed dietary choices. By ensuring adequate potassium intake, you support essential bodily processes, from nerve transmission to muscle function, promoting a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Potassium, truly the most important electrolyte of them all, embodies the essence of balanced nutrition and optimal health. Embrace its benefits by incorporating potassium-rich foods into your daily meals, ensuring a robust foundation for your overall well-being and vitality. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.